today I'm doing another Chanel unboxing. This time it's mainly makeup tools and makeup. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you like hair, fashion, and beauty. I just love buying from Chanel because of the packaging. Since price is the same, shipping's free, why not just buy directly from them? And then you're certain to get something that looks beautiful, it looks like a gift, and it's just a treat. So I already opened the outer box, and even the inside says Chanel, and it comes with your receipt in this pretty little parchment paper. You can definitely reuse this box if you want to repurpose it as like a little gift box. I think it's so lovely, and it would be so nice to just put a gift in to give to somebody. So Chanel lets you decide if you want a little stationery, and then you can just hand write a note if it is a gift, or just use it later. Chanel's products are so good, well thought out. They feel amazing. They're pricey, but not the most pricey makeup. It's very comparable to anything you would find on Sephora. So they gave me their little samples in this cute little bag. Chanel just seems so giving, like they think about all the details and give you all these cute little things. So the first thing I got is this eyelash curler, and it's just your basic silver eyelash curler. It says Chanel on it. Comes with a curler pad, and then you get 2 extras with it. So cute, it feels nice. It's very lightweight, very simple. The next thing I got is this multi-effect quadra eyeshadow. I got 308 Clair Obscure. So I've really just been looking for fall tones. Comes with a little card that shows you 2 ways to use the product, and it tells you exactly which color to put where. Look 1 is just more light, probably more of a day look. Look 2 looks more like a smoky eye. And I'll try these looks out, so on another video, I will show you how that comes out and see how easy it is to use it. Comes with 2 disposable eyeshadow wands. So these are all neutrals, warm tones. I went with all matte. Some of them have a little bit of a sheen to it. But I just wanted something that I could throw on really fast. Especially when I go to work, I prefer to just have something more neutral, maybe a little sparkle here and there. The next thing I got is eyeliner brush. I'm really trying to perfect my eyeliner look. For a long time, I've just been using liquid eyeliner and doing my best to smudge it out, but I'm really trying to do a more professional, softer look so it's not so harsh. Just looking at videos online, I decided I might need an eyeliner brush so that I can better use eyeshadow and creams. So this brush looks amazing. It's thicker down to a more narrow point. Comes with this little extra part on it too. It says just like a protector for your brush to keep it shaped. Next, this Ombre eyeshadow liner Kohl. Contour Beige is the color. So this is kind of like a jumbo eyeliner. What I got it for is for lining the inside of my eyes, just because I want something that will give it some definition, but also be bright enough to give me wider, more awake looking eyes. So I've been looking for a color in between white and black that will do that. This one just looks like a nice neutral beige. And like I said, I'll do a follow-up video just kind of using some of these and show you what it looks like on. The last thing I got is this Excitation number 774 Rogue Cocoa Gloss. It says Top Coat Lumiere. This was kind of a last minute purchase. I just saw it. It was kind of a lone wolf on the website, but it looks so beautiful. It's this gold sparkly color. It said limited edition, so I decided to grab it because I don't really have the gloss. And wow, it's so beautiful. I'm actually gonna try this on right now. It's just gold and sparkly. I think this is gonna be a great top coat. It's not sticky. It feels so soft on my lips. It's kind of like, I have the Clarins oil and it kind of feels like that. Yeah, it's not sticky at all. It feels like it's going to stay on, and it just gives a beautiful sheen. So that was just a quick unboxing of my new Chanel products. I will do a follow-up video to show you some of the eyeshadow and eyeliner looks and how that wears, and I'll give you my review and take on that. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with those, and thank you so much if you are already subscribed. I will see you next time.